Welcome back to Turbo Car Choice, the place where we explore the latest cars, future concepts, and real-world driving experiences from around the globe. If you love smart technology, modern design, and cars that save fuel without killing the fun, make sure you subscribe and hit the bell so you never miss an update. Today we're talking about the 2024 USA Toyota Prius Lamaro, a fresh evolution of one of the world's most famous hybrid cars. The Prius has always been known for efficiency, but the Lamaro version takes things a step further with a more aggressive attitude and a cleaner, sportier look that finally makes people turn their heads. From the outside, the 2024 Prius Lamaro looks lower, wider, and more confident than older generations. The sharp LED headlights, sleek front fascia, and smooth aerodynamic lines give it a futuristic feel. Toyota clearly focused on reducing drag while also making the car visually exciting. The Lamaro styling adds unique wheels, darker accents, and a more performance-inspired stance that fits perfectly with modern US road trends. Step inside, and the cabin feels simple but high-tech. The digital instrument cluster is placed higher for better visibility, while the central touchscreen handles infotainment, navigation, and vehicle settings. Materials feel more premium than before, and the seats are designed for comfort on long drives as well as daily commuting. There's also plenty of space for passengers and cargo, making it practical for families and city drivers alike. Under the hood, the 2024 Prius Lamaro uses an advanced hybrid system that balances fuel efficiency with smooth performance. It delivers quick response in city traffic and remains calm and quiet on the highway. The improved battery and electric motor setup help reduce fuel consumption while keeping emissions low, which is perfect for eco-conscious drivers in the USA. On the road, the driving experience is refined and stable. The suspension feels well-tuned, steering is light but precise, and overall handling is much better than older Prius models. Safety is also a big highlight, with advanced driver assist features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and automatic emergency braking. The 2024 USA Toyota Prius Lamaro proves that a hybrid doesn't have to be boring. It's smart, stylish, efficient, and practical, making it a strong choice for drivers who want to save fuel without sacrificing modern design. Thanks for watching Turbo Car Choice. Let us know in the comments what you think about the new Prius Lamaro, and we'll see you in the next video.